Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to knit the neckband of the Henri sweater. It is worked a little differently from a traditional v-neck. Instead of knitting it in the round with a center decrease, we'll work it flat and seam the center front at the end. Let's get started. Here is a small swatch I made that represents the neckline. Now, with your smaller needles, pick up the first stitch in the little loop next to the strand connecting the front yokes. Then, pick up the next stitch directly above it, going under both legs of the stitch. Now, continue picking up and knitting one stitch in each edge stitch as they appear. When you reach the shoulder seam, place a marker. Now we'll move on to the back neckline. There's a small vertical section here. Pick up stitches in this area the same way you did along the front edge. Then, along the bound off section of the back, pick up one stitch in each bound off stitch. To avoid little holes, make sure you insert your needle into the stitch next to the larger gap. That keeps the neckline clean and even. When you reach the opposite shoulder seam, place another marker. Then, continue down the front edge and finish in the loop next to the strand that connects the two front yokes. Don't worry about your exact stitch count just yet, we'll adjust that in the next step. Turn your work to the wrong side. The next row sets up your final stitch count for the ribbing and forms a neat purl ridge on the right side. Over the entire row, increase evenly to the amount of stitches indicated in the pattern. You'll have to increase one stitch roughly every fourth stitch. To increase, we'll use make one below, using the strand from the edge stitch. Make sure to lift the strand so that the first leg is towards the front of the needle. And that completes the increase setup. Now follow the instructions in the pattern for the main collar stripe. You'll shape the shoulders and neckline here. Just work the decreases as written and repeat for the number of rows indicated. When you reach the point of changing to contrast color, weave in the yarn tails as you knit, to create a smooth front edge. Work 3 rows following the same decrease setup in the contrast yarn. Switch back to your main color yarn, purl across and remove the shoulder markers as you go. Then, begin one by one ribbing, following the instructions in the pattern. Bind off using the Italian bind off or another elastic bind off suitable for ribbing. Now it's time to close the neckline. With the right side facing up and using the yarn tail from the bind off, join the two front edges using the half edge blind stitch. When you reach the contrast color stripe, switch to the contrast yarn to seam those stitches. Otherwise, the main color might show through. At the very end, use your yarn tail to close the small gap at the V-point. Thread through both legs of the center stitch, pull it snug and weave it in securely. Weave in the ends and that's it. Your Henri Sweater neckline is complete. Thanks for watching and happy knitting!